I'm going to teach you Swahili. I'm going to teach you how you will speak Swahili correctly or correctly. Okay. Title on here on whiteboard is Learning Swahili. The aim is you to learn Swahili. I am a native of Swahili language, so I eager to teach you how to speak Swahili. Know the formula of how to speak Swahili. Today I'm going to teach you very special parts among of the topic that we are going to deal with. I'm going to teach about personal subject prefixes. Personal subject prefixes. And we say that Swahili subject prefixes. And this is the table which is written very well and show you how to use the the Swahili subject prefixes or personal subject prefixes. So, welcome. In order to speak Swahili, we are supposed to know the pronoun. When we want to speak Swahili in our daily life, it is better to know the pronoun of Swahili. Okay? In Swahili, say viwakilishi. Also, we are supposed to know the subject prefix of what? Of Swahili personal what? Subjects. Here, just an example how the subject prefix is being used. Number one, the pronoun number one is what? Is mimi. In English, we say I. The subject prefix of Swahili, it is ni. Ni means I. For example, here, nina soma. I am studying. Okay? So, I means mimi. And here we use ni to the subject prefix. And this one is for the what? First person. First what? Person. Nafsi ya kwanza. Let me give you another example here. Let me give you another example for the case of what? Of the example here. For example, someone is maybe I am eating. Okay? I am eating. In Swahili, ni nakula. Maybe I am playing. In Swahili, we say ni nacheza. Okay? Have you considered how we supposed to use ni as we use I in English? Let us continue. The second one is what? Wewe. Wewe in Swahili, while in English it is you singular. And this one it is what? A second person. Second what? Second personal. We use u in Swahili. For example, you are studying. Unasoma. Another example not written here. Another example maybe you are eating. Unakula. Okay? Let us move to another what? Let us move to another personal subjects. Personal what? Personal subject. Personal what? Personal subject here. Personal subject here is yeye. Personal subject here is what? Is yeye. While in English we use she, we use he or she. In Swahili, does it matter? Is a boy or a girl? We just say yeye. And this one, it is what? It is the third what? The third person. Someone spoken to. Okay? We use a For example, anasoma. Okay? Anakula. Okay? She is eating. Anakula. Yeye anakula. Yeye anakula. Here it is what? Ninyi. In English it is just what? You plural. You plural. More than one person. Okay? In Swahili we use For example, mnasoma. Mnasoma. Okay? Mnasoma. Mnasoma. You are studying. You are eating. Mnakula. You are playing. Mnacheza. So the subject prefix is what? Is Subject prefix is what? Is Here it is what? Wao. In English we say what? We say they. We say they. In Swahili they we use wa. They are eating. Wanakula. They are playing. Wanacheza. They are running. Wanakimbia. Okay, wa. So let us repeat again. So in Swahili we use me, in English we use I. The subject prefix is what? Ni. Ninasoma. Ninasoma. We use ni. Here in the pronoun wewe, while in English it is you singular. The subject prefix is what? Is u. For example, unasoma. You are studying. Okay? Here it is what? In Swahili yeye, while in English she or she. He or she. We use the subject prefix what? A. Anasoma. While in Swahili we use ninyi. When in English you plural, we use mnasoma. Mnasoma. Wow. They in English. So we use wa in Swahili, subject prefix. So wana, they are. Okay? Thank you very much. Don't miss to hit the subscription button or subscribe button there, or subscribe to our channel so as to get the next video. And if you want to communicate with me and you want to know something about Swahili, I'm a native Swahili speaking, so I'm a member in East African country, Tanzania. So I will teach you, or I will help you how to speak Swahili natively. Thank you. Okay.